Tired of typing vague descriptions into eBay and getting no results? Use a photo instead to find exactly what you want in seconds. We have all been there. You see a cool gadget, a vintage lamp, or a unique piece of clothing, and you have no idea what to call it. You type in blue shirt and get a million options that have nothing to do with what you are looking for. It is frustrating. But instead of guessing, you can just hand eBay the picture and let it do the work. Here is how to search by image on eBay. Just follow these 5 simple steps to turn any picture into a product match. I have tested this method myself, and it works surprisingly well, even for obscure items. So let us jump right in. First, open up the eBay website in your browser. You can do this on a computer or on your phone, but for this walkthrough, I am on a desktop since it gives you the most control. Make sure you are on the main eBay page where you see the big search bar at the top. This is your starting point. You do not need to be signed in for this to work, which is nice. Now, look inside that search bar on the left-hand side. There is a small icon that looks like a little camera. That is your golden ticket. Go ahead and click that camera icon. It might open a small pop-up or a new section right there in the search bar. This is where you get to upload your image. If you are on a phone, this button might be a little tiny icon at the end of the search bar, but it is always there. Just tap it. Once you click the camera icon, eBay will give you a few options. You can paste a link to an image from the internet, or you can upload one directly from your computer. I find the upload method to be the most reliable, so get that image ready, the one you want to search for. Now, drag and drop your image into the upload area. It does not have to be a perfect photo. Even a screenshot or a picture you snapped in a store will often work. Just grab the file and let it go right into that box. You will see it appear there as a little thumbnail. And here is the really important part. After you drop the image, eBay starts processing it immediately. This might take a moment to process. Depending on the size of the photo and your internet connection, it could take a few seconds. Be patient. The page will kind of blink, and then you will see a spinning icon. It is working. I have thrown all kinds of random images at this feature, and it rarely lets me down. Then, after that brief pause, eBay will show you the search results. It pulls up items that look visually similar to the picture you provided. You might see the exact same product or very close matches. Sometimes it gets it right on the first try, and the exact item is right at the top. Other times, you get a handful of similar listings to scroll through. Now, take a moment to browse the matching results. Scroll through and see what turns up. Pay attention to the titles eBay gives them, because that is where you will find the actual product name or model number you were missing in the first place. That is the secret. You started with a photo, and now you have the exact name. From here, you can refine your search by brand, price, or condition, just like you normally would. You can save the search or click on listings to see more details. And that is it. You went from aimlessly scrolling through endless eBay listings to instantly finding the exact item using just a photo. It is a simple trick, but it saves so much time. Give it a try on your next hunt, and you will wonder how you ever shopped without it.